In one of the most explosive revelations of the year, Bloomberg has reportedly confirmed that BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm with over $10 trillion under management, is preparing to purchase a massive 1 billion XRP tokens. This move has sent shockwaves through the financial community, as BlackRock's investment strategies are often seen as a bellwether for the market. The acquisition of such a significant amount of XRP could potentially reshape the landscape of digital currencies and asset management. This isn't just another investment. It's a monumental shift that could redefine how institutional investors view digital assets. The sheer scale of this purchase underscores the growing importance of cryptocurrencies in the global financial ecosystem. Yes, you heard that right. BlackRock, the behemoth that helped usher in Bitcoin ETFs, is now quietly shifting its gaze to XRP. This strategic pivot indicates a growing confidence in the future of XRP and its underlying technology. As the financial world watches closely, the implications of this move could be far-reaching, influencing both market dynamics and investor sentiment. The decision to invest in XRP is not just a vote of confidence in the cryptocurrency itself, but also in the broader blockchain technology that underpins it. This could pave the way for other major financial institutions to follow suit, potentially leading to a new era of digital asset adoption. A leaked Bloomberg terminal screenshot, now circulating online, allegedly shows BlackRock initiating pre-trade coordination with institutional custodians and OTC desks for a phased accumulation of XRP. The report places an initial fair value estimate of $200 per token, a number that stunned even the most optimistic XRP bulls. But for those who've been paying close attention, this move has been brewing for a while. And this isn't just about buying XRP to hold, it's about positioning XRP as the backbone collateral for future XRP-based ETFs potentially launching in the wake of regulatory clarity. It's no coincidence this comes after Ripple's landmark legal victory over the SEC, which eliminated the biggest regulatory hurdle standing in XRP's way. So, what exactly is BlackRock's XRP strategy? According to sources close to the matter, the firm plans to use XRP not just as a speculative asset, but as collateral for tokenized ETFs that aim to provide secure exposure to digital cross-border payment solutions. In other words, BlackRock sees XRP not just as a cryptocurrency, but as infrastructure. They're betting on Ripple's technology and XRP's liquidity utility becoming a core part of institutional finance. This would mark a huge shift in how Wall Street views crypto assets. And for context, remember what happened when Bitcoin ETFs were approved? Bitcoin surged massively as capital poured in from pensions, hedge funds, and sovereign wealth funds. Now, imagine what happens when those same institutions begin allocating to XRP, especially when its price is still massively undervalued compared to its real-world utility. BlackRock isn't buying 1 billion XRP as a gamble. They're front-running a future in which XRP plays a critical role in the new financial system. Now, let's do the math. With a circulating supply of around 55 billion XRP, if a firm like BlackRock hoards 1 billion of those tokens, that's nearly 2% of the total supply absorbed by a single institution. And if multiple firms follow suit, as we saw with Bitcoin, it could trigger a supply shock. If demand grows exponentially due to ETFs' collateralization and CBDC bridge utility, XRP's price could explode. Just like Bitcoin's ETF-driven rallies, XRP could easily 10 times, 20 times or more from its current levels. A 200 XRP might sound crazy now, but it's backed by real math, limited supply, and escalating institutional demand. The market cap required for a 200 XRP, while large, is not unimaginable. especially if XRP becomes embedded into global remittance flows and used by banks and governments worldwide. The groundwork has already been laid through Ripple's 300-plus partnerships, ISO 20022 compliance, and involvement in central bank digital currency pilots. What makes this story even more powerful is the role played by the XRP community. This dedicated group of enthusiasts and investors has been the backbone of XRP's resilience and growth. Their passion and commitment have created a strong foundation that has helped XRP weather numerous storms and challenges over the years. For years, the XRP army has pushed back against FUD, tirelessly defending the cryptocurrency on social media platforms and in online forums. They have been relentless in their efforts, ensuring that misinformation is corrected and that the true potential of XRP is highlighted. They have held the line through SEC pressure, organizing protests and raising awareness about the legal battles XRP has faced. Their activism has not only brought attention to the issues at hand, but has also united the community in a common cause. Their efforts have kept XRP in the spotlight even when mainstream media dismissed it, ensuring that the cryptocurrency remained relevant and discussed. By continuously engaging in conversations and debates, they have kept the momentum going. It's not a stretch to say that their collective voice forced Wall Street to take notice. The XRP community's unwavering support has been instrumental in driving the conversation forward, making sure that XRP's potential is recognized by both investors and financial analysts alike. Trends on X, formerly Twitter, consistent coverage of Ripple's utility, and unwavering support during the lawsuit helped create a narrative that even the biggest institutions couldn't ignore. And now that the SEC cloud has cleared and regulatory clarity is emerging, firms like BlackRock are racing to get in before the price explodes. Think about that. Institutions are watching retail communities and moving in response. That's the power of decentralized momentum. In conclusion, the Bloomberg confirmed move by BlackRock to buy 1 billion XRP is a monumental event that could reshape the landscape of cryptocurrency investments. This isn't just another headline. It's a significant endorsement from one of the world's largest asset managers. The implications of this move are far-reaching, signaling a new era of credibility and acceptance for digital currencies in mainstream finance. This could be one of the most defining moments in XRP's history, potentially setting a new standard for institutional involvement in digital assets. The excitement among investors is palpable, and for good reason. The ripple effects of this decision could influence other major financial institutions to follow suit, further solidifying XRP's position in the market. It validates everything the community has been saying for years, that XRP is not a meme coin or speculation play, but a serious contender in the financial world. This move by BlackRock serves as a powerful affirmation of XRP's potential. The community's long-standing belief in the utility and value of XRP is finally being recognized on a global scale. XRP is increasingly being recognized as a foundational asset for the future of finance. With ETF speculation growing, legal clarity increasing, and more institutional money flowing in, the landscape is rapidly changing. The integration of XRP into traditional financial systems is no longer a distant possibility, but an emerging reality. XRP at $200 may no longer be a moonshot dream. It might just be phase one of a much larger financial revolution. The future looks incredibly promising for XRP and its community. As we move forward, the potential for growth and innovation within the XRP ecosystem seems boundless, heralding a new chapter in the world of digital finance.